Following the first tour, the Easter concert conducted by the Gratch's Choir was held this week at Gyeongsan Culture and Arts Center on the 13th, Munmak on the 15th, Wonju campus of Gangneung Wonju National University, Munjeon Pattern Art Hall on the 16th, Useong Cultural Center on the 17th, and Good News on the 18th. Each performance filled the auditorium, and the Gratch's Choir captivated the audience with a combination of magnificent orchestral performance, the actors' delicate singing and acting, and stage footage. After the performance, Gratch's Choir founder Pastor Ok-soo Park went on stage and wished the audience a happy time. He also preached the gospel that everyone can go to heaven if they believe that Jesus Christ was crucified and forgave all of their sins.
The Grassie's Choir is truly world-class. I think they are really good at it. We have seen many musical performances, but I am always so moved that it is no exaggeration to say that the Grassie's Choir is truly the best in the world. This is my third time coming, but I was deeply moved.
We hope that the message of Jesus' resurrection spread throughout small cities in Korea through the Gratch's Choir, making the love of Jesus bloom in the hearts of the audience. Regular Bible seminars are being held in each region in the first half of the year. Good News Ulsan Church, Dongbusan Church, and Suncheon Church held a Bible seminar from the 14th to the 17th, and Suseon Church held a Bible seminar from the 10th to the 13th. Members of each church promoted the Bible seminar through evangelism and various activities, and invited friends, family members, citizens, and seniors from Silver College operated by each church attended. There was a hymn performance prepared by each local church, and for the Ulsan Church, Pastor Jang Young-kil, the senior pastor of the Jeonju Church, for the Dongbusan Church, Pastor Kyung Hwan Jang, the senior pastor of the Iksan Church, for the Suncheon Church, Pastor Jong Seyoon. The sermon was followed by a question and answer session and personal faith counseling, and attendees had the opportunity to gain assurance of salvation by listening to the gospel in detail. Good News Bangkok Church held a Bible seminar for Myanmar people living in Thailand from April 14th to 16th. The Bangkok Church announced that it held this Bible seminar to celebrate the holiday Songkran, as the number of Myanmar people settling in Thailand increases due to the civil war that has continued for several years. About 40 people participated, and missionary David Kim gave a sermon on the topic of the bronze serpent in the Bible. Participants expressed their gratitude for the sermons and group teaching materials delivered in Burmese. The Myanmar Church held the Thinjian Water Festival camp simultaneously in 30 regions of Myanmar from the 13th to the 16th. A total of 7,000 people attended the camp, including 3,000 new people invited by believers from all over the country. Missionary Kim Jong-ho of the Yangon Church preached the gospel on the theme of the 2 Kings, chapter 5, and a gospel class was opened in each camp where attendees heard the gospel. Even in Myanmar, where large and small conflicts continue, the story of salvation continues. On April 17th and 18th, Taiwanese churches held the Southern Region United CLF. Pastor Jang Hoon Kim of Gyeongsan Church in Taiwan delivered a sermon on the topic, "If you are not born again, you cannot enter the kingdom of God." A pastor from an established church sponsored lodging and meals for the pastors who attended from 5 cities, and the pastors who participated expressed their feelings that it was an opportunity that gave them strength to challenge in their personal ministry and faith. On April 13th, a dance camp was held in Alcala, Philippines. Approximately 50 local students, Good News Corporation, overseas volunteer members, and the Philippine youth dance team attended. A variety of programs were held, including K-pop dance classes, mind lectures, and a dance performance by Righteous Stars, and attendees spent time not only learning dance, but also listening to mind lectures and planting dreams and hopes in their hearts. Philippines said that they plan to continue interacting with the youth they met through the dance camp. On the 14th, Daeheon Church, Bisan Church, and Enyang Church in Masan and Bisan held outdoor services in sunny weather. The Masan area held an outdoor worship service at Hamja Park in Haemun. The Bizan area held an outdoor worship service at Gijong Kialma Sports Park. The Seo Busan area held an outdoor worship service at Myeonji-dong Neighborhood Park. And the Enyang area held an outdoor worship service in Yeongju. They had a colorful time with various recreational activities and active exchanges between and believers. Pastor Young Ja Kim and other pastors spoke to the remaining believers, encouraging them to run forward vigorously with the gospel. This outdoor worship service was a blessed time to gather the hearts of believers for the gospel ahead. In Pastor Ok Soo Park's Bible seminar in the first half of 2024,